top 10 most beautiful mansions in Africa and their owners. Welcome to our channel. Today we take you on an exclusive journey across Africa to explore the top 10 most beautiful mansions. We'll uncover the owners, locations, standout features, and jaw-dropping costs of these luxurious homes. Stay with us till the end. You won't want to miss number 1. At number 10, we have the breathtaking home of Nigerian billionaire businesswoman Folorunsho Alakija. Located in the high-end neighborhood of Ikoyi, Lagos, this architectural masterpiece is valued at approximately $700 million. Built in 2013, the mansion is designed without a single brick, just premium glass and steel. It features a private movie theater, an indoor swimming pool, and a state-of-the-art security system. A true statement of elegance and wealth. 9. Patrice Motsepe's Cape Town mansion, South Africa. Next, we visit the home of South African mining tycoon Patrice Motsepe. Nestled in Cape Town's prestigious suburb, this $8 million mansion boasts 6 bedrooms, an infinity pool, and breathtaking ocean views. The home is an entertainer's dream, featuring a wine cellar, home theater, and multiple lounges. It's a true reflection of the billionaire's success. At number 8, we have the ultra-modern mansion of Nigerian businessman Okodili Umeniora. This Lekki residence, worth around $27 million, took 4 years to complete and is one of the most technologically advanced homes in Africa. With LED-lit floors, an elevator, a high-end cinema, and an indoor-outdoor swimming pool, this home looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. At number 7, we head to Nairobi, Kenya, to explore the grand estate of billionaire businessman Jimmy Wanjigi. Known for its high-level security and exquisite design, this home features a private cinema, opulent chandeliers, and expansive living spaces. Although its exact value remains undisclosed, it is easily one of the most exclusive homes in East Africa. At number 6, we visit the home of South African rapper Casper Nyovest. Located in Kialami, Johannesburg, this stunning estate, worth $590,000, has everything a superstar could need. 3 spacious bedrooms, a recording studio, a gym, and a swimming pool. This mansion is a perfect combination of luxury and creativity. At number 5, we have the Gatsby Mansion. This $7 million residence covers an impressive 2,000 square meters and features 8 in-suite bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, and 6 garages. It's a home built for royalty, offering endless entertainment areas, a rooftop lounge, and the finest interior decor. At number 4, we step into the grandeur of Palazzo Stein, one of the most expensive private properties in South Africa. Located in Midrand, this estate, built by billionaire Douw Stein, is a marvel of architectural excellence. With its marble finishes, breathtaking views, and a luxurious golf course, this mansion is in a league of its own. Coming in at number 3, we have the extravagant home of Africa's richest man, Aliko Dangote. This Abuja estate is a symbol of success, featuring multiple living rooms, a private gym, and world-class landscaping. Although its price tag remains a mystery, it's undoubtedly worth millions. At number 2, we explore Camp Naya, the 400-room mansion owned by Nigerian businessman and politician Orji Uzor Kalu. Built in 1998, this massive estate includes banquet halls, swimming pools, and multiple sports facilities. It's one of Africa's largest residential estates, making a bold statement of power and wealth. And finally, at number 1, we have the First Name Mansion in Cape Town, South Africa. Valued at $60 million, this 6-bedroom estate offers panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean. With 8 bathrooms, a world-class home theater, and a private spa, this is the pinnacle of luxury living. These magnificent mansions showcase the pinnacle of luxury and architectural brilliance across Africa, Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching.